Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify each molecule and its geometry. cis-1, 2 difluoroethylene, Z. Both F atoms are on the same side of the double bond. The CF bond dipoles point in similar directions and add up significantly, giving a moderate to large net dipole moment. 2 trans 1, 2 difluoroethylene, either two CF bond dipoles point in opposite directions and largely cancel each other, giving a very small, near zero, dipole moment. 3 1 1 2 trifluoro 2 chloroethylene, C1 bears 2 F atoms, like CF2, and C2 bears 1 F and 1 Cl. The vector sum of the CF and CCl dipoles does not cancel completely. However, the 3 F atoms and 1 Cl create a net dipole, but partial cancellations occur. The net dipole is moderate. 4 1 1 difluoroethylene, CH2 is equal to CF2. Both F atoms are on the same carbon. The two CF dipoles on C1 point in the same general direction, away from C1 toward F, and the CH2 end has small opposing contribution. This gives a significant net dipole moment. Moving on to the next step. Rank the dipole moments. Molecule I, cis-1, 2 difluoroethylene. The two CF dipoles are on opposite carbons but on the same side, they add constructively. Dipole moment 2.4 to D, which is large. Molecule 4, 1, 1 difluoroethylene. Both F on same carbon, net dipole 1.37 D. Molecule 3, 1, 1, 2 trifluoro 2 chloroethylene. Mixed substitution with partial cancellations, net dipole is intermediate but less than I and 4, approximately 1.0 to 1.2 D. Molecule 2, trans 1, 2 difluoroethylene. Near complete cancellation of the two CF dipoles, dipole moment 0 D, actually very small, tilde 0 D. Thus the order is I4 3 2. And for the final step, why other options fail? A. 4I32 is wrong because CIS-I has a larger dipole than 1, 1 disubstituted, 4. C. 3I24 incorrectly places 3 highest and 4 lowest. D. 234I is wrong because trans 2 has the smallest dipole due to cancellation. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.